Alright, what I've got going on today is my daily driver had a little problem the other day. As you can see, the rear end is out of that crew cab. Luckily they're both 411 gears, single wheel rear ends, so I mean look how that just swelled that case out. This rear end came apart. I figured I'd record it while I take the cover off and gut it so I can put it back under that truck and get that one to where I can roll it around again. So let's see what this looks like. Oh man, yeah. You can see that down in there on the video, but that sucker absolutely came apart. Now, like I said, luckily I can just go ahead and gut this rear end. I planned on putting a dually rear end underneath that 4-door anyways, so I had that one technically just for parts. So time to gut this one, hang it under that truck and roll it out of the way.